Creating podcast or video editing or creating videos might take a huge amount of time. On top of that, you have to write a blog article or social media post. That's another time consuming process. But what if I tell you that you can create blog articles, social media posts, even an email to send it out to your users, or your video, the video that you have created or the content that you have created, and it never gets outside of the content. And that also within few minutes. Well, that's Verbal Tide for you. So let's check the demo. Right. Now I have a YouTube video from my channel where I'm talking about technical debt, and now I want to write a blog article on my website, or I want to share a LinkedIn post about this. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to grab the URL, go to the Verbal Tide website dashboard. I have already created the account, and we can just upload a URL. Just go over here, paste the YouTube URL, and just wait. So you have to make sure you don't infringe any copyrights content. So now it is gonna run its magic and process my YouTube video, and within few moments we will have the video over there. There you go. Video was in English, so I have selected English over there. Now the good thing about Verbal Tide is that it doesn't store my video. It just gets the processed information. In this case, that would be my YouTube videos transcript, and that's it. Like, apart from that, it doesn't store my video. I can go to generate content, just select the blog post, but before that it asks me to put some configuration. I'm gonna go with the basic one. Like, the purpose of the article is to increase brand awareness for the tech industry made for entrepreneurs. And I can add here additional information, like let's say I can say to focus on a specific part from the video, or I can ask it to just focus on a specific aspect of the video, or so on. Now I'm just gonna go hit generate, and that's gonna run the magic of creating a blog article for me. There you go. So why technical debt is like dirty dishes, and how smart entrepreneurs manage it. So here in the video, I have given an example of dirty dishes. Like, I have given an example. You have a pile of dishes. The more you ignore it, it's gonna just go and increase. As so the same example I have given to explain technical debt, it did pick that up. And also the real cost of we will fix it later, like that's the main thing in my video, and it just picked that up correctly. Also, if I go down and just see on this article that it had just come up spot on, but let's say if I want to change it, and let's go for a change configuration, changed a few things over here, and just hit generate again. If I'm happy, I can copy it as a markdown or as an HTML if I want to paste it straight in my website, or I can copy it as a plain text and then I can paste it in a doc to send it forward in the team. So it has some pretty good options. And also, let's say if I'm lazy to read this article, I can always ask it to read for me.
Why technical debt is like dirty dishes, and how smart entrepreneurs manage it. Picture this: you're cooking an amazing
Not bad.
meal.
Let's say if for some reason I want to use the previous version, so I did create some previous versions over here. So if I want to go with that, I can just select one from here, and that's it. That works like charm. So now you believe me that it saves a huge amount of time when it comes to content repurposing. If you still don't believe me, do give it a try. I'll put the link in the comment section. Peace.